As this pandemic has shaken and drastically impacted the world economy, there are many financial lessons which can be learned from this situation. In this short video, I will try to highlight some of them, among which first is be self-dependent, because there may be times when people will not be able to help even themselves. Then for them, of course, who the hell are you? Second, you should have multiple sources of income, and that too at multiple places, so that if one place is seriously affected, then there are chances that other place is safe, maybe. Third, at least one or two sources should be related to necessities like food or healthcare. Even if you can have one medical shop, then that is also too sufficient. Fourth, and this one is most important, rental or interest or dividend income is must. Try to give shop or building on rent to some banks or financial institutions, because they are the one who will pay rent even in the worst case scenarios. Next is spend less, save more, and invest more and more. Now the sixth one is, with investment in stock market, you should have liquid cash also, because stock market is most sensitive place. As we witnessed in March 2020, market fell by around 50%. That is of course the best investment opportunity for the ones having liquidity. But then what about those who were all in with no liquidity to average their holding? Next, you should have corpus to survive for at least 12 to 18 months or even more, I don't know, without earnings. And the last one is to have some skills through which you can earn by sitting at home, because we don't know how long will it take to get things normal. In this, I will recommend you to learn stock trading, or have YouTube channel to teach something, or become an online tutor on websites like Course Hero or Bartleby. You can search about it on YouTube. So these are some of the financial lessons which I thought that can be learned from this situation. There can be many more, of course. So tell me in the comment section, what financial lessons have you learned from this pandemic? And in last, I will say the same thing. Stay at home, stay safe. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.